one of my good homegirls from Houston is coming out to LA for the first time for her birthday, so I already know I'm gonna show her a good time. But before I get into the details of this video, I just remind you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. And if you haven't seen any of my other litty ass vlogs, I suggest you pause this video right now and go look. I'll wait. Psych, we not waiting. Let me get into the details of this video. So today is Cinco de Mayo, okay? And so I got a nice little bottle of tequila waiting. Her homegirl flew out here with her. They're finna pull up, we're finna take some shots, and then we're finna go to my favorite bar, Cabo Cantina. If y'all know, I went there on my birthday and we was doing hella karaoke. It's lit as fuck. I always love that bar, and it should be litty for Cinco de Mayo. So I'm ready. This finna be a litty ass weekend, but let me get into my little outfit check. Okay, so y'all already know I'm trying to switch to a little preppy style. I don't even really know if I want to do preppy no more, but we preppy today. Okay, so this is my cute little look. I got a nice little Polaroid shirt. You know, my little skirt. This sort of similar to my other outfit I have, but preppy is preppy, okay. And then I got my handy dandy Rickies, you already know. And then I'm gonna carry my Juicy Couture and my letterman that says B for Britney. Y'all already know, Team Britney. You already fucking know, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna wear that. I have some other accessories I want to put on. I'm not really sure yet, because there's this headband I was thinking about wearing, and I was also thinking about doing some leg warmers. I don't really know how cold or hot it is outside. I need to go check. I should check before I put this outfit on. But yeah, and I might change my shoes, child. I don't know. I'm waiting for my homegirls to get here to tell me what looks cute, because if I ask y'all, I ain't gonna know until after I upload the video, and that's gonna be what? Too motherfucking late, okay? But yeah, so when my homegirl get here, I'll come back with some shots. I'll probably do a better fit check at the function. Y'all already know how I do. But yeah, my homegirl should be pulling up any minute, so I'll be back when they come, okay? Period. It's gonna be a litty ass weekend. It's a parade time my city at. I spy with my little eye 2 whore bots. Hello, my princesses. Hi, I'm recording. Hi, nice to meet you. Okay, my homegirls are here. Cheers. What's the cheers, Kiera?
Some more sex.
More.
You got some more in there?
Oh God.
People here are crazy.
No, y'all haven't even been downtown.
To scare
okay.
I know, relax, bitch.
We arrived for our Uber driver, period.
Oh my God, your street is right by the Mountain View.
Exactly. Say it again, because I'm vlogging.
Yes, right by the Mountain View. My bitch done made it, okay?
Yeah.
LA.
Yeah,
Showing
period.
us a great time.
Okay, y'all, I added the freaking headband. I don't know. It looks cuter, don't y'all think? But yeah, we on the way to the spot.
I ain't gonna lie though, it don't be a lot of police or nothing though.
Girl,
like,
yes it
everybody?
does.
Where are they?
Child, I hope far away from us. But no, they do. You hear the sirens? You done called them. You done called them.
I done called them.
She done called them. She done. What is it? She summoned the damn. That's just the ambulance. Ambulance.
It's really like, it's crazy because you.
Fit check. I put the headband on. I think I just said that in the other video, but yeah. That's really cute though. Let me do my little salsa for Cinco de Mayo. You bitch, not fucking with me. It's Cinco de Mayo outfit. Say happy Cinco de Mayo. Was it not? It was not. Look, he in my thing. I'm sorry. You want to say hi? She said no. No. Okay, anyways, the bartender fucked up our order, so we got extra shots. So look. It's 3 shots and then 3 shots. We litty, baby. Happy Cinco de Mayo. I'm trying to. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Shot. Let's take the shot.
Does this turn into a club?
No, it just stays like this.
Okay.
They just get more lit. Hold up, hold up. Ready, set, go. Hurry, hurry. Period. Period. Me llamo Brittany. ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Dónde estás? ¿Sacapuntas? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, ¿y tú? Je m'appelle. That's not even right. Bilingual bitch, because I was French. Je m'appelle Brittany is French. But me llamo Brittany. ¿Y tú? Spanish. I just met a baddie at the bar. She taught me how to say what did I say? My homegirls are bad bitches. Yeah. My homegirls are bad bitches in Spanish. How do I say it? You say it first. Mi amigas son chingonas. Mi amigas son chingonas.
One day later.
Hey y'all, it's Sunday. Yes, we missed a day. Me and my homegirls got so lit on Cinco de Mayo, child. I had to take a whole rest day. Let me get into the lighting. I had to take a yeah, that's better. I had to take a whole rest day, child. I'm an auntie now. I cannot hang. I need my rest. My homegirls went and did their thing, you know, a little sightseeing or what have you. But today I'm about to link back up with them and we're about to go to the beach. I'm waiting for my Uber right now. Who knows how long that's gonna take. But at least I'm outside for once because y'all know I stay rushing to catch the Ubers. But yeah, it should be a good time. I got my little swimsuit on under this one piece and I got, you know, all my little beach stuff, beach necessities. But yeah, so child. My keys got stuck. But yeah, I'll come back when I'm in the Uber or when I'm at the beach. No fit check, it's just something basic. But yeah, bye.
But something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the
Okay, so I just got here. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm here waiting on my homegirls. I think they went to Santa Monica by accident, which if you're not from LA, it's a real easy mistake to make, like if you're just visiting. So I guess we're just trying to figure out what they got going on, what we're gonna do. But I have the bag with all the stuff in it, so I'm not trying to walk around until we know what the fuck is going on. And you hear this little kid singing my song in the background? Try a Little Tenderness by Otis Redding. That's my song. If you haven't listened to it, I suggest you go listen to it. But yeah, so we out here just waiting. I had to put a hat on because my leave out was not having it. Oh my god. But yeah, we made it to the beach. We got our little setup going on. You see, we finally made it, y'all. Get the vibes. I'm about to light a birthday cupcake for her. We're gonna smoke some blunts, take some shots. Yeah, it's such a beautiful day. It's such a beautiful day. Okay, her cupcakes. Are you making a wish? Always make the shit back. Will you give me fever like I've never had?
Weird shape.
Nails by Key.
Yeah.
That is so cute.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Start doing them on the pier.
That part. You bitches. You bitches could never. There's my homegirl. She's been adventurous and going to the water. It's a little bit chilly. But I'm gonna walk to the water too. Yeah. I'm trying to run and catch up with my friend. Let's see. Oh my god, I feel like I look so stupid. Baywatch type shit. I'm close. I got closer. Oh fuck. Okay, let me. Ah! Oh my god. Look at the water. It is so cold. It is cold as hell. But well, it's like windy. It's not really cold. I'm out of breath. Like shit. But yeah, look at that. Period. Hi. Hi, cutie. Oh, look at the water. Okay, I'm about to try to get in. Ah! Fuck! This shit is so cold. This shit is cold as hell. Okay, we gotta stay for when it comes. Let's get closer. Okay, this this shit is cold. Yeah. B and no key. Aw, B and Key. How cute. The freaking water just ruined it literally immediately after. Oh well, it's forever here. Yeah, eat it.
Fuck no.
I'm gonna touch it. Look at that little beady beads. I'm gonna throw you back to where you came from. Ah! We made our own cabana. Friend right there. We are struggling to keep this on.
I saw this couple. They had made like a little hole in the sand, and they were just in there kissing. It was so cute.
I saw that too. I was like, that's some love.
Yeah.
I'm happy I didn't see. I would have threw some sand on them.
With a cup. Yeah. And wet sand.
I look so mysterious smoking like this. It's right in front of my face. I feel like I'm in that. What's that video where they rolling around in the sheets?
Oh, these are the signs of love making. I'm trying to tell them.
Hey y'all, I'm in the Uber home. I just dropped my homegirls off at their little hotel or whatever. Child, we had a time at the beach. We are tired. I do not think that we are gonna go back out tonight. So I'm just gonna end the video here. But child, we had a time at the beach, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.